Hello guys, good afternoon everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Tonight we have a problem. This make the complete schematic diagram for the three transformers shown below to be connected to 440 volts 3-piece 3-piece source and 220 volts 3-piece load. This is line 1, line 2, line 3. This is a source natin guys is 440 volts because nakalagay dito 440 volts source, 3-piece source. Then, ito yung line 1 natin. Line 1 sa primary winding, X1. Then, X2. Then, series siya guys sa X2 sa transformer number 2 primary winding o sa transformer number 3 primary winding X2. Then connected neutral. Then ang next one natin guys, ang X1 natin is line 1. Then ang X1 na naman natin sa transformer number 2 for line 2. Then, ang X1 naman natin sa transformer number 3 for our line 3. Then, ang secondary winding guys, this one, sa load side, patungo dito sa ating terminal 1 sa motor, 3-piece motor, load motor 220 volts 3-piece. Then, ang H2 naman guys, patungo sa H1 transformer number 2 secondary winding. Then for our T2, ito yung T2 natin para sa motor terminal. Then ang H2 naman niya guys, patungo nagko-connect sa H1 sa transformer number 3 secondary winding. Then this is a supply for H1 supply for our terminal 3 sa 3-piece motor 220 volts. Then ang H2 niya guys na connect sa patungo dito sa oops na mali. Ito yung H2 natin guys, patungo dito sa H1 natin sa transformer number 1 secondary winding. Then ito yung guys, line 1 natin. X1, then yung coil na X2, ito yung transformer number 1. Then ang connect niya sa X2, then coil X1 for line 3. This one guys, from line 1 to line 3 is 440 volts. Then ang X2 guys, ang other terminal sa coil X1 for our line 1. Line 1 and line 2. Line 1 and line 2 is 440 volts. That is a primary winding 440 volts 3-piece Y. Then sa secondary winding natin guys, 220 volts 3-piece delta. H1 transformer 1, then coil niya yung partner niya H2, then join together, connect siya sa H1 sa transformer number 2, then coil niya ang H2. Then ang H2 naka-connect sa H1 sa transformer number 3. Then ang H2 is ang H2 connected sa H1 for our T1. Then this one H1 and H2 for T3, H1 and H2 for T2. Ang T1 to T3 is 220 volt supply. Then T3 and T2 is 220 volts. Primary one yung delta. Bible verse of the day, Titus 1 verse 2. In hope of eternal life, which God that cannot lie promised before the world began. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated ka sa next videos na akong i-upload. Thank you for watching guys. And God bless. To God be all the glory.